There are, I think, a couple of prints they're planning to release in Mumbai.
Have you also spoken to Aditya about this role, or maybe exchange notes with him?
Yes, definitely. I mean, we've been playing football. I mean, before even he started shooting for Ashiki 2, we've been playing football. We've been spending time together. तो जब उसको पता चला कि I'm doing Ashiki 2, he was in a state of shock for a moment. मतलब ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हिंदी तेलुगु में बन सकती है. कि नॉर्मली यही होता है कि साउथ से फिल्में हिंदी में बनती है. तो मैंने उसको कहा कि मैं शौक था कि मेरा दोस्त जाके फिल्म के राइट्स लेके आ गया. So it was a great experience. Then we used to sit, we used to spend time. कि मैंने ये सीन कैसे किया, ये सीन में मैंने क्या किया, ये सीन में मैंने क्या नहीं किया. So he shared his experience and whatever I could see of the film. And the only thought that I had that Aditya has his own personality. He's tall, he's broad, he has his own way of acting. So only thing that he said that stay natural, be what you are, and that's what I think I'm able to achieve with the film.
Right.
ये छोटी सी चिड़िया आपकी बॉडी पर हम देख रहे हैं, ये काफी डिफरेंट किया आपने. ये किसका आइडिया था या
ये पीटा का आइडिया है एक्चुअली. वो हमेशा एक छोटी सी चिड़िया हमेशा साथ में रखते हैं.
In terms of the character that Aditya also has portrayed in Ashiki 2, so he's played a drunkard, and that tag has stuck to him. So are you also probably conscious कि ऐसा?
Do I look like I'm right in front of you? That's the PETA campaign. I think alcohol.
For Ashiki 2.
Yes, I did go through an intense, rigorous process. It's not like taking support from alcohol, but it is about being in that state of subconsciousness, being there, and what you would feel in that situation. To feel that, especially from the point of view of acting, I've also been a part of, I've consumed alcohol during certain scenes, but somehow I've been lucky that it's not habituated to me.
Which is your favorite song out of them?
Well, right now the most popular song, which is raking the charts, and it's super success in the B and C segment. They've come out with 3 songs, but Tumiyo Ashiki, which is called Pranama, is the most popular right now.
You also became a father recently, right? How has your baby changed your life as a person?
It is wonderful. I think being a father is the most happiest thing that can ever happen. And I have a beautiful daughter called Samaira. She's 6 months. I was in fact playing with her, and I just came here. It doesn't feel like, you don't feel like leaving home at all.
Will we see Raina coming back into films ever again?
Yeah, I mean, I'm open to the idea. She's right now just mothering a 6-month-old child. I mean, if she would love to come back, I would be more than happy.
she also vegetarian? Your wife?
To be honest, no, she's not a vegetarian. It's only me who's a vegetarian.
You plan to convert her?
I've been after her since the day I've met. The first condition I put her, you have to be a vegetarian.
Okay, is six-pack abs a true indicator of fitness?
Not honestly. According to me, a true fitness of a person is the person's internal strength. Appearance can be maneuvered, managed. You can influence it, but real strength of a person is, I feel, true fitness.
Are you focusing more on South movie or Bollywood movie?
देखिए ये एक वन ऑफ केस था बिकॉज मंडला गणेश मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं 2004 से लगभग मेरे दोस्त हैं तो उस वक्त वो एक्टर थे आज वो ही इज नंबर 1 प्रोड्यूसर इन साउथ ही इज डन द बिगेस्ट फिल्म विद द बिगेस्ट एक्टर ही इज ऑलमोस्ट हैविंग 6 फिल्म्स ऑन फ्लोर ही सेज the true friendship that I would love to gift you back is something that I want you to do. That's what I did this for him. But the next film that I'm doing is in Hindi. It's going to be more bilingual, Hindi, Telugu. बस अब ये इससे free हो जाऊँ and then we'll get in there.
So do you think you will hit the jackpot with the Telugu remake of Ashiki 2?
I hope so. I've always believed to do my job and rest leave it to the audience and the world.
Sachin, Sunny couldn't hit the jackpot with Jackpot, which she was able to do with Ragini. What do you think she couldn't do in Jackpot and she did differently in Ragini, which went well in a way?
Well, that's a question for some other time, but I would say there are plus and minuses. Audience is very smart in today's time. let's say I try to be more as a man. I try to keep my respect, but honestly, there are certain expectations from Sunny that audience has, and if you do not live up to those expectations, they sense it, and that's what they understand. And that's what I think in Ragini she was all over.
So it's a combination of sex, horror, and good songs which works. That's what you feel.
I think it was a very good term came in Bollywood called Horex.
Horex, yeah.
Horex with great songs is what worked. The baby doll worked for Sunny Leon.
सचिन वन मोर क्वेश्चन एक फिल्म के हिट होने के लिए उसकी मार्केटिंग प्लानिंग कितनी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है कितना प्लान करना पड़ता है
जितना ही आप प्री प्रोडक्शन में टाइम लगाते हैं उतना ही आपको मेकिंग में मेहनत लगानी पड़ती है और उतनी ही आपको उसको मार्केट में लगानी पड़ती है इट्स लाइक हार्ट बॉडी एंड माइंड आप कौन सी चीज़ को इम्पोर्टेंट समझेंगे तीनों ही ज़रूरी है
और जब प्रमोशंस करते हैं जैसे हाल ही जो आमिर खान की जो पीके की जो पोस्टर आई है वो हर जगह चाहे वो बच्चा हो बड़ा हो सबको बताया और एक मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी ही है अगर कहें तो
वेल आमिर खान इज अ वेरी इनोवेटिव मैन आई थिंक वो हमेशा कुछ नया करने की सोचते हैं ऑडियंस के लिए एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट काफ़ी टाइम से हमने देखा नहीं आई मीन ही इज ऑलमोस्ट नेकेड इन दैट पिक्चर विथ वन आई थिंक एक टेप रिकॉर्डर के साथ पुराने ज़माने का सो इट इज़ समथिंग दैट इज इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच आई थिंक ऑडियंस को भी आज आप 30 सेकंड का कमर्शियल देखेंगे टेलीविजन पे कोई ऐड चल रही है दूसरी बार देखेंगे भी नहीं उसको वापस तो ऑडियंस की मेमोरी बहुत इंट्रीगिंग हो गई है तो कुछ ना कुछ नया कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा करना पड़ता है एंड सक्सेसफुल डूइंग दैट
ऐसा क्या जरूरत पड़ेगा कि एक खान को भी नंगा होना पड़े
देखिए आई वुड से खान को नंगा होने के बजाय इट वुड बी more interesting as an art feature.
Will you ever dare to do something like that?
If my script demands, yes, why not?
सचिन आप भी प्रमोशन बड़े पैमाने पे करते हैं ट्रेनों में बसों में दुबई ले जाते हैं हर जगह तो आप भी कोई ऐसा रेडियो लगाने वाले हैं प्रमोशन करने वाले डिफरेंट
मैं रेडियो नहीं मैं कुछ और क्रिएट करने का सोच रहा हूँ
कुछ जैसे कुछ सोचा होगा आपने
वेल अभी फिलहाल मौका तो नहीं पड़ा अभी तक के कपड़े उतारने का इस वक्त जिस दिन पड़ेगा उस दिन बता दूंगा आपको
On that note, I'd like to ask, talking about Amir Khan, some of the past campaigns of Pizza have been pretty provocative. Like Sangram Singh, he went completely nude with just a leaf. You didn't get tempted to go down that way.
Well, honest, that doesn't mean I don't have great legs, but I do. But I still felt that enhancing, you need to show your best so that people get excited about it and people believe in the same campaign. And there's a myth that a vegetarian cannot make a good body is completely wrong. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.